When a surgeon places a titanium implant into a patient's body, they are placing years of precise and visible engineering. In orthopedic distribution, it is standard practice to sell these devices based strictly on their final dimensional specifications and outward polished appearance. But understanding what a product looks like in the sterile box does not explain how it will perform in the body. To know that, you must trace the exact sequence of how it was made. Every stage of production dictates the device's physical strength, its chemical biocompatibility, and long-term osseointegration. Yet the sequence of events occurring long before the device reaches the operating room is rarely analyzed by sales professionals. Manufacturing an implant is a rigorous sequence of clinical determinants. Each step is a controlled variable calibrated to secure the final patient outcome. The baseline starting material for modern orthopedic implants is medical-grade Ti6Al4V, a highly specific alloy of titanium, aluminum, and vanadium. This composition provides a high strength-to-weight ratio and natural resistance to corrosion in hostile environments. It arrives at the manufacturing facility in the form of raw billets and thick bars, dense metal blocks possessing zero structural precision. To prepare this raw metal for forces of the human body, it must first undergo forging. Inside raw titanium, metallic grains are chaotic. Extreme pressure forces them to realign into a uniform matrix. Under physiological loads, this uniform matrix distributes force evenly. If grains remain misaligned, the same load concentrates stress on weak points, propagating cracks and causing fatigue failure. Forging establishes internal structural reliability the device requires to survive before a single thread is cut. Once the internal structure is secured, the process shifts from gross conditioning to geometric precision. Computer numerical control, or CNC machining, translates abstract engineering geometry directly into the physical titanium. The operating tolerances during this phase are remarkably strict, with allowable variations measured in single-digit microns. Here, precisely machined titanium threads interlock perfectly with the surrounding porous bone matrix. If that thread geometry shrinks by just a few microns, visible microgaps form. Stress then concentrates dangerously at a few loose contact points instead of distributing evenly across the surface area. That uneven load distribution threatens the initial stability of the implant immediately following surgery, allowing micromotion that actively inhibits bone healing. The precision of CNC machining defines the biomechanical stability inside the patient. Mechanical stability ensures initial placement, but achieving long-term biological fit requires altering the metal itself. The titanium undergoes surface blasting, transforming the smooth, inert exterior into a highly porous scaffold. By expanding the surface area and creating microscopic structural cavities, the metal promotes cellular response, encouraging natural bone to attach directly to the implant. Before biological interaction safely occurs, the device must undergo a strictly required chemical process, passivation. On this microscopic level, the titanium surface is littered with manufacturing contaminants. During passivation, a specialized acidic bath strips away these residual particles. Removing this debris artificially accelerates the formation of a uniform, protective titanium oxide layer across the device's entire microscopic geometry. This thin oxide layer serves as an absolute, impenetrable shield against the highly corrosive physiological fluids inside the human body. If passivation is inadequate, the metal is left highly vulnerable to localized corrosion, degrading its biocompatibility and leading to rejection. Machining allows physical fit. Surface engineering and passivation chemically permit it to survive in vivo. Before human exposure, the finished implant must clear rigorous quality control. Engineers validate dimensional inspection, mechanical strength, and fatigue analysis against precise regulatory standards. Once structurally cleared, there is an absolute biological requirement to remove all pathogenic contamination before it proceeds to final packaging. Facilities utilize advanced sterilization methodologies, passing gamma radiation or ethylene oxide gas directly through the semi-permeable layers of the sterile packaging. A failure at this critical stage introduces bacteria directly into deep tissue, resulting in severe surgical complications and immediate rejection. To maintain this sterilized state, the final product is sealed in validated barrier systems, complete with batch labeling and exact traceability to maintain regulatory compliance. These final protocols ensure that the physical and chemical properties engineered into the device over the past several weeks are safely delivered into the surgeon's hands. Take these manufacturing variables off the factory floor and place them into the reality of the operating room. Every stage of production translates directly to a measurable clinical impact. In this matrix, you can see how initial material selection and CNC machining map directly to clinical strength and biomechanical stability. The surface treatment processes dictate the success of long-term osseointegration, and passivation, paired with strict sterilization, ensures corrosion resistance and absolute patient safety. A standard product seller enters a hospital reciting final dimensional specifications and catalog numbers. A technical consultant operates differently. They confidently explain the engineering logic behind a device, proving exactly why an implant will survive physiological stress over the lifetime of a patient. By mastering this invisible journey from raw alloy to sterile device, you earn enduring surgeon trust and ensure the highest standard of patient care.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.